Hi, this is Rob. I'm going to talk about the Black & Decker 12-cup programmable coffee maker. This coffee maker comes in 3 colors: black, white stainless steel, and black stainless steel. The stainless steel versions are slightly different. The control panel on the stainless steel versions have more of a traditional push button, whereas the black model has touch buttons. But on both styles, there are the same number of buttons and they function the exact same way. Also, the cup level in the water reservoir shows in the front with the stainless steel versions, and on the black version the cup level shows on the side. In addition, the size of each one of these 3 coffee makers are slightly different. The black model is 15.5 inches tall by 6.25 inches wide by 12.5 inches deep. The white stainless steel version is 11.9 inches tall by 7.7 inches wide by 10 inches deep, whereas the black stainless steel version is 12.2 inches tall by 8.2 inches wide by 11 inches deep. So, overall, the white stainless steel version is the smallest of the 3, but all 3 make the same amount of coffee, 12 cups. Black & Decker defines 1 cup of coffee as 5 ounces, so 12 cups would be 60 ounces. 60 ounces is just over 1.5 liters. A standard coffee mug holds 10 ounces. So that means that this coffee maker really makes 6 cups of coffee. What do you get in the box with all 3? The coffee maker itself, a Duralife glass carafe, and a removable dishwasher-safe filter basket. Some notable features of this coffee maker. While coffee is brewing, this coffee maker has a sneak a cup feature. You can remove the carafe while coffee is brewing to pour a cup of coffee. Brewing will pause when you take the carafe off the coffee maker, but the carafe must be placed back on the carafe plate in 30 seconds to prevent an overflow. Then brewing begins again. The Keep Hot carafe plate will keep the coffee warm for 2 hours or until the on-off button is pressed. The program button. You can set everything up the night before you go to bed and program this coffee maker to start brewing at a specific time in the morning. Press the program button. The auto light, a small dot in the bottom left corner of the digital display, flashes several times and the digital clock will display 12 o'clock. Next, quickly press the hour button, then the minute button to select the time you would like the automatic brewing to begin. For example, 7:15 a.m. Make sure the PM light is not on. Then press and hold the auto button until the auto light stops flashing but remains on. The digital display will then change to the time of the day. To check if you set the auto brewing time correctly, press the program button and the preset auto time will display. Then press the auto button to reactivate the timer. The auto light will turn on. If you want to cancel the auto brew function, press the auto button and the auto light will turn off. Okay, that is it. I hope that you enjoyed this coffee maker.